Hi guys, welcome back to channel. On this session we are going to discuss how to take Discovery Qatar hotel for the visa on arrival purpose online. So this is a section Haya e-visa and visa on arrival approved hotels. So as you know, if you are taking visa on arrival for Qatar, we have to produce Discovery Qatar hotel booking. So we have to book hotel from this portal. So if you are booking through another online portal, they will not accept. And here we have to select the check-in and check-out date. Minimum 2 nights is required. So you can select your check-in check-out date and how many people and how many guests and age and search. And here you can see the hotel. So any of this hotel you can select and just click on select and mention here your and here we have to select the room type. You need a room only or a bed and breakfast. You can see here VOA. VOA means visa on arrival. And this hotel booking is non-refundable. So once you buy, then you cannot able to refund. And here we have to mention all our detail like name, passport number, nationality, address, email ID, contact number, everything we have to mention here. Payment we can make by our debit or credit card. Once payment is completed, instantly you will get hotel voucher by email. Hope you guys understand how to take visa on arrival hotel voucher through Discovery Qatar website. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. If you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe.